Hello everyone, your Preeti Miss came back. Now today in chapter number 9 geometry you are going to learn new topic types of line. So there are three types of lines. First intersecting lines, second is parallel lines, and third perpendicular lines. Now let's see. Now let us assume that these two sketch pens are two lines. You can see here I have placed these two sketch pens on the same plane. Okay. So what are the possibilities? There are two possibilities that either they meet or they will never. So what exactly intersect mean? So when the two lines meet at the same point or exactly point, so that time we can say these two lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Now let us see the exact meaning. See here. So what does intersect actually mean? It just means meet. You can see here if we have two lines, line AQ and line PB, they are called intersecting lines. So you will think what's so special about this line? So when two intersecting lines meet at exactly one point, you can see here that exact point is O. So that time we can say that this is a intersecting lines. So line AQ and BP intersect each other at a point O. So these are intersecting lines. So line AQ and line BP are intersecting lines. Now see next one. Now how would you define parallel lines? You know, intersecting lines are lines that meet at a point, as we have learnt now. So parallel lines are lines which do not meet or do not intersect. Okay, so you can see here, look at the lines, line AB and line PQ given alongside. So it's not enough to say that the line which not intersect, it's a parallel lines. So adding with this, I just want to tell you more info to define exact. AB and PQ are not intersecting, as well as note that the distance between parallel lines remains the same always. You can see here the distance, if I will measure, so it will be same. So that time you can say these are parallel lines. So here you can say if AB and PQ were to be extended endlessly, they would never meet. So such lines are called parallel lines. So line AB and line PQ are parallel lines. For example, you can see railway tracks run side by side parallel to each other. The opposite edges of a ruler parallel to each other. Okay, and if you will measure the distance, it will be same. Okay. See next one, perpendicular lines. How would you define perpendicular lines? Now see, when two straight lines, you can see here also I am having two straight line, and here also I am having two straight lines. So when two straight lines cross each other, or you can say intersect each other, they form an angle. You can see here they are forming an angle. Here also they are forming an angle. But when the two lines meet and they form a right angle, so that time we can say the lines are perpendicular lines. You can see here, these are two lines, they are intersecting also, but they are not forming right angle. So when they form a right angle, said to be perpendicular line. Okay, so you can see here the difference between these two figure. Here M slants in as it intersect line N, and here you can see it intersect but stands erect as it meets line N. Okay, so we can say these lines are parallel lines. So line M is said to be perpendicular to line N. Line M is said to be perpendicular to line N. I just want to give you one activity. What you have to do, prepare a table of two columns. Okay, so in first column write parallel lines, and in second line write intersecting lines. And write down various real life examples. Railway track. So same way, just find out around yourself the parallel lines and intersect lines and write the example. Write at least 5 examples on each column. Okay, so in next online session I will discuss on this. You have to show your activity. Watch this video carefully. Thank you.